welcome back to another YouTube video. Look, I know that I've been posting a lot of POV driving. I feel like my whole YouTube channel has been about process of owning and modifying and just going to car shows, being an M3 owner. But one thing that I have realized is that I don't actually enjoy this car in the way that it was intended to be enjoyed. So these cars are literally amazing for sliding around. They're great driver's cars, and I don't want to be the person that just doesn't push the car how it's supposed to be pushed. All right, so one thing I do absolutely love is this POV content. Obviously, I mean POV driving, not the one you see on Pornhub. I don't like to be in one place for too long whenever I'm doing stuff like this, so. Alright everybody, this has been day one of trying to learn how to drift. I have to say it was pretty dang fun getting the car loose and driving the car hard without any sort of traction on. It's October, boys.